All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, can a flat rate shop be above 100% efficiency for the entire shop? Let's talk about it. All right, so this one was a comment, and I don't remember where it was, so I can't credit anybody. I can't credit whether it was a comment on a video or in a group, but the statement was, no flat rate shop is above 100% efficiency for the entire shop. And right there, I can call BS 100% absolutely not true. This shop and the lower shop last year, for the entire year, averaged 55 hours for every technician based on how many positions we have, because some technicians underperformed that aren't here anymore. But my point is that everybody was above 100% efficiency. Everyone. Yes, we had some low performers that are no longer here for that reason. Everybody is above 100% efficiency, except the new guy that was literally just hired last week, which we don't have enough information on him to give a metric on his, billable hours, because he's only been here a week and a half, and first couple days is training. So yes, a flat rate shop, if run properly, can definitely be 100% efficient across the entire shop. Now, right now, I think everybody is above, and it's slowed down quite a bit. I think everybody is still above an average of 50 hours billed. Now, is there low weeks? Yes. Is there high weeks? Yes. That's why it's an average. Is every technician every week going to bill 60 hours? No. That's just not how it works. But average is average. And guess what? So I already know that statement is completely wrong because I saw the data. We had a meeting last year and my boss pulled the metrics for both this shop and the lower shop. So, a well-run shop can definitely maintain above 100% efficiency. Just food for thought. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.